Hi, good morning. David Stolfo here with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing great. The reason I've got you here today is to show you this real nice Crest II 220. It's a tri-tune boat. This particular boat is outfitted with our CPT option, which has the full aluminum underskinning, the 48-gallon fuel tank. You've got the C-Star hydraulic steering to help you steer. It's got the real nice Junior Beast ski tow bar back here for water sports. Love that. While we're there, might as well look at that boat. It's powered with the 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. Powerful, solid, quiet. This boat is got the full white metallic exteriors for a real clean, nice, neat look. You've got the interior in the real light gray. And then it does have some gray accents to pull together the rustic weathered gray flooring that's polyvinyl, nice and resilient, easy to keep clean. I love how this one has the ski locker in the floor, which gives you a lot of room. This boat has the premium stereo. It has the lit LED color rings around the stereo that gives it a cool look at night. The Fusion stereo is awesome with Bluetooth, the tilt wheel, 2-inch depth finder is here, got an hours meter on the boat. Love the full fiberglass helm. Powder coated rails are really nice. And one thing that makes this boat so great is the seating plan. The SLS seating plan allows you to have some convertibility here with, once you move this back, of course you can face and watch everybody out in the water. Or once you get underway, go ahead and shift this back this way and face like that forward. So what a wonderful boat. This thing really performs super great. As you see over here, you do have your changing station here that'll come up for you, maybe a porta potty under there. Love the storage options, poly in here. So thanks for looking at the boat with me. My name is David Stolfo. We're here to help you at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Thanks for looking at the Crest II 220 with the CPT option, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't hesitate to call us with any questions you may have. We'd love to take you in the water and have you own one of these, and you can reach us at 770-614-6968. Dave Stolfo from MarineMax. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.